Hello sir, good morning. This is Sarad Yadav. Today my topic is project presentation, which name is online voting management system. The project member name is Sarad Kumar Yadav. Registration number is 2019 PGCACA 63, and other second member name is Jayaprakash Pandey 2019 PGCACA 30. Introduction of project. Online voting system is an online voting technique. It based on the other online service like online reservation system. In this system, people who have citizenship of India and whose age is above 18 years. Technology to be used in this project. This project will be console application to be developed in C++. Use file handling concept for database. Coding in C++ language. Also use the standard template library. Overview of the project. Project is related to online system. The project maintains two levels. One level is called the administrator level and second level is called the voter level. Next, I'll show my project source code. Here the source code of the project. We can see here. Use the sum header files and here make the class which name is the person, have the sum data members and member functions. Set data member function is used for set the value like voter ID, name, age, gender. Here make the main function. As we know that our project is divided in three panels. One panel is called the admin panel, second is the voter panel and third is the result panel. Admin panel is asked to you how many number of candidates are elected in the election. I will execute this project. Admin panel is open and asks to you number of candidates. Suppose I will enter the 3 and again he asks to you name of the candidates. Suppose name is the Vikas Misra. And second name is Rajkumar Yadav. Sonu Sharma. Number of person which wants to the cast the vote. Suppose I'll enter the 5. Thank you admin, we are going to start election with 5% and 3 candidates. Enter the password. Here the voting panel is open and asked to you enter the detail of person 1. Detail voter ID. Name is Himanshu. Age is 23. It asks to press 1 for Vikas Misra, press 2 for Rajkumar Yadav, press 3 for Sonu Sharma. I'll press 1. Thank you for your vote. Please enter for next. Here the show the second person details. You should second person comes and enter their voter ID. Name of the second person is like Rajat Chauhan. Age is 21. Suppose age is less than 18, 12. Here we can see, sorry you are not eligible for cast the vote. Here age is less than 18. Then voting is not showing like this. Press 1 for Vikas Misra, press 2. Here is not so, and it jumps to the person 3. This project continued by Jayaprakash Pandey. Thank you so much for appreciating me.
Hello sir, good morning. My name is Jayaprakash Pandey. Today the topic of my presentation project, the project name is Online Voting Management System, which I made with my group member Sharat Kumar Yadav. So this is my complete source code of my project. There are 284 lines in my project, and here line 1 to 6 we use some header file which have definition of function and variable, and I made one class that name is person, and I use public specifier, and I declare some data and variables name, and here I made one function that name is set data, and in this function we enter some details like voter ID, name, age, gender, and here I use main function. In the main function and my complete source code about my project, the first line contain integer type data which have some variable which are used in my programs. I use vector in my program. Vector is a class that create a dynamic array, allow insertion and deletion at the back, and I give some conditions. So number of candidates should be greater than 1, and I made one password for start the voting. That password name is mypass, and I use some standard functions of string like str, cmp, string comparisons, and I use file handling also for store our data. So, and I give some condition for age. Age should be greater than equals to 18. If age less than 18, then you are not eligible for cast the vote. So age should be greater than 18, and so this is my complete source code of my project. So I am going to run my project. So build and run. So my project is run successfully. Here admin panel for asking the input for user. So number of candidate should be 2. That name is Aman Pandey and Akash Pandey. And number of persons for voting 3. The password mypass. Enter details, voter ID 2K19, PG CACA 31, name is Suham, age 18, gender male. So I press 1, and this process is repeat again for second person. 2K19 PG CACA 30 35, name Prashant Soni, age 23, here I give persons 3, voter ID 2K19, Amit, age 90. My boss. So congratulations Aman Pandey, you are elected. So this is my programs which I made, and this is the output. So thank you for listening my presentation.